Hello, welcome to MoneyWiseAlpha.com, your financial freedom guide. I'm Christian John Salas, the founder. So today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite topic, the top 10 active ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Right? So just a warning, scam alert. So there are many scams, fraud, and Ponzi schemes associated with cryptocurrency. Use http www.badbitcoin.org to check. It vets investment opportunities in the cryptocurrency blockchain space pretty well, but it's not foolproof, okay? So you want to use your sound judgment, right? If the profits seem to be too good to be true, it probably it is, right? So good advice, you want to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And you always want to start with a tiny investment first, right? So first of all, what's active income? So most of us associate active income with a job. Basically, you exchange your time for money, right? For income. Right? So you could be a salaried employee, you could be self-employed, or you could be in sales, you could be commission-based, right? And you could also own and manage a business yourself, right? The good news is there are many exciting new ways to make active income with cryptocurrency. So using all my research, practical experience, and occasional run-in with scams, here are the top 10 active ways to make active income with cryptocurrencies that I have discovered. So number one, you could buy and keep, also known as HODL. Number two, trading. Number three, cryptocurrency payment gateway. You could set one of those up for your website if you're selling anything online. You could also invest in initial exchange offerings, IEOs. You could also try investing in security token offerings, STOs. Number six, you could have cryptocurrency education. Number seven, cryptocurrency news and trend subscriptions. Number eight, you can join an inner circle. Number nine, you can be part of a bounty or rewards program. And number 10, gaming. And so we're going to discuss each of these. So active method one, buy and keep, also known as HODL, right? So here's a good, if you watch Game of Thrones, this is Hodor, right? So it's a long-term investing strategy, right? And this requires good fundamental analysis, right? And that's a big topic, which I'll discuss briefly. You can also apply a dollar cost averaging strategy. So for example, you get paid twice a month. So you can allocate maybe 5% of your salary to investing in cryptocurrency projects that you believe in, right? And you can maybe rebalance your portfolio every few months or once a quarter or so. So here's just a tip. CoinMarketCap does some fundamental analysis for you already, and it's accessible if you view the ratings tab for a particular cryptocurrency project. Another good site to use is Coin Paprika. So here's some basic fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a huge topic. I could spend many hours on it, but here are just some basics. So number one, company analysis. Does the management have a good history of success? Does it have right products? Is it well financed? Good marketing, etc. You can do an industry analysis. There's not too much competition in the industry. The government regulations are open. Environmental factors are favorable, etc. Also, economic conditions. Are we in a bear market or a bull market? Are there any unforeseen economic conditions that can affect the product or service? Also, the future profit outlook. Will the products or service be in demand in the future, in your best opinion? How large is the total addressable market? In what time frame might the product or service become obsolete? So here's just some recommendations. So if you're a long-term investor, you might also want to consider storing your crypto assets in some high-yielding mobile wallets as a type of savings. For example, Celsius app is a good investment vehicle you can use. You can get up to 10% annually with some stable coins such as USDT, Tether, Pax, DAI, and many others. Right? Monarch app is also another good thing to use. Active method two, trading. So here's a trading view, which is very popular with not only crypto traders, but stock traders and forex traders as well. And I personally like using it myself. So this requires good technical analysis. If you're really good with math and charts and visually oriented, this might be a good option for you, right? And the good news or the bad news is that crypto exchanges are open 24 hours, 7 days a week, so you can trade nonstop if you wanted to. And there's, of course, different levels of risk and involvement involved. right, with trading. So here's the basic crypto trader types. Right? There's trend traders. They follow the trend to buy low and sell high. Right? There's also swing traders who take advantage of market volatility. Right? Margin traders, you bet that prices will fall soon, so you short the market instead of going long. There's also future traders. They hedge against volatility with fixed asking and selling prices. Right? There's also option traders. They bet basically if it's going to be a buyer's or seller's market. And there's day traders, which I started out being. You can open and close multiple positions within a 24-hour period. So here's just a tip. Good YouTube channels to use to learn about cryptocurrency trading are Data Dash and Ready Set Crypto. They offer many free videos to learn about using technical analysis for trading. And for a list of top cryptocurrency exchanges by volume, just visit this website. So here are just my recommendations. Here are some cryptocurrency exchanges that I recommend. Binance, I've been using that for a while, since 2017. It's the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and the good thing now is it supports margin trading, so you could use leverage. Coinbase, this is a prevalent cryptocurrency exchange, especially in the US, and it supports fiat to crypto conversions, right? If you're outside the US, you might want to research on Google what is a good fiat to crypto conversion exchange in your nation. KuCoin, this is an exchange that allows you to invest in new and exotic coins that you won't find on larger exchanges, right? It's also one of my favorite sites. Local Bitcoins, this exchange has a really vast number of ways to buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and sometimes you can even give discounted rates from the market. Right? So active method 3, there's the cryptocurrency payment gateway. So if you're selling anything online, this is similar to PayPal, Gcash, and Paymaya. So many retail and online sellers now accepting crypto for payments. For example, some Bitcoin franchises and some other venues have Bitcoin ATMs, right? And basically, sellers make money with transaction fees and some margin in the price as well. Right? And you can maintain ATMs. You can use it to buy real estate, cars, gold, and many other items, as long as the seller is open to accepting cryptocurrency payments. I recommend goldsilver.com for buying gold and silver with cryptocurrency. Okay. So active method 4, you can invest in initial exchange offerings, also known as IEOs. So IEOs were invented because of the failure of the previously shady initial coin offerings. I actually worked for a few ICOs, and I would say over 95% of the ICOs turned out to be scams, or they just had bad business models or tokenomics in general. Right? But the good thing about ICOs is that before, investing was only available to affluent investors. So, for example, you want a share of Amazon or Google. For one share, it might cost you thousands of dollars. But ICOs opened up good tier investments to small-time investors with only very little capital. Right? So IEOs are conducted in an actual exchange, so they're much better vetted, right? Binance Launchpad is a good example. Right? And this, again, requires good fundamental analysis. So investing in security token offerings is active method 5, right? STOs. So STOs are the most regulated cryptocurrency token offerings, right? The security is backed by actual collateral, which could be actual physical assets, equity, commodities, land, real estate, etc. So it's very secure, and they're subject and protected and regulated by some national-based authority, right? So for a listing of upcoming STOs, you can visit this website. So active method 6, cryptocurrency education, right, which I'm currently doing right now. So many online sites offer cryptocurrency education for a price, right? So you can have courses on investing, trading, there are Udemy and Lynda. And if you become very knowledgeable about cryptocurrency, you can have a few courses yourself, right? There are still many free ways, however, to learn about cryptocurrency on YouTube. So I recommend YouTube channels Data Dash, Ready Set Crypto for free learning, and the AMTV Bitcoin Academy, which is a paid service. So active method 7, cryptocurrency news and trend subscriptions. Now this is particularly important for professional crypto traders and investors who are interested in the latest news and trends. So they like to have subscriptions, so they're always aware of what's going on in the market. So many online venues offer up-to-date news and trends for a monthly subscription, usually. You can have daily or weekly newsletters, online community memberships with live chat, etc. For subscription-based services, I recommend Ready Set Crypto and the Dollar Vigilante, which are pretty good services. Active method 8, you can form an inner circle, or you could join an existing Signals group. For example, you could join a private WeChat or WhatsApp group or Telegram group, etc. Some are paid, but some are free. Basically, the idea is you want to buy the rumor while the cryptocurrency token is still very undervalued, very cheap, and then you want to sell the news. So that this is when marketing starts kicking in and the price starts to skyrocket. So you can make huge profits by this method. Right? So you can start your own signals group with your most informed or connected contacts. Right? You can receive signals on when to buy and when to sell. Right? So here's just a good strategy I like to use. Is I follow different channels on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Telegram on investment and topics that I'm most interested in learning. I then read the post to generate the most buzz, right? So I know when's a good time to sell, right? So active method 9, you could join various bounty or reward programs, right? You can earn crypto by performing certain tasks. For example, you could write a positive review about a cryptocurrency project. You could create a cool logo. You can answer trivia questions, etc. Or you could join a airdrop campaign. Just do a Google search on the latest cryptocurrency airdrop campaign out there. Right? Right now, however, my favorite cryptocurrency reward program is on Coinbase Earn. So you basically watch entertaining educational videos about various cryptocurrency projects. Then at the end, you answer some questions, right? And then you receive free coins in return. Right? So here are my recommendations. The Brave browser, it lets you effortlessly earn cryptocurrency just by surfing the net and joining reward program too. So I highly recommend that. Crowdholding, which is currently in beta as of this writing. It's an open innovation platform. It empowers people to earn rewards and entrepreneurs to get insights from key stakeholders, employees, and consumers. Basically, you just perform some basic tasks, you do some write-ups, you might even do some social media marketing to help a new cryptocurrency project. And in exchange, you get rewarded by this new cryptocurrency. Right? PublishOx is also a good way to get paid in crypto for reading and writing blog articles. You know, I use it myself too. Okay, and active method 10, last but not least, you can play games, right? So, for example, Minecraft was an early adopter using Bitcoin as an in-game cryptocurrency. Now, here's a true story, right? I actually met a guy who became a Bitcoin millionaire by playing Minecraft. So, the story goes is that in college, he was playing the game a lot, and he earned a lot of Bitcoin in the game. But then, of course, he got a full-time girlfriend, so he couldn't play the game for many years. Then he came back after many years passed, and he saw he still had all those Bitcoin in his game saved. But now it was worth a lot more, so he became a Bitcoin millionaire. So, you know, isn't that sweet? So here's another game, EtherQuest. You compete with other players for Ethereum, right? Now here's a really good tip. You could have your little cousins or kids use your game account to earn you crypto. So it's the best of both worlds, right? I mean, they're kept busy and enjoy while you make some crypto on the side, right? So, for the full version of this presentation, please visit moneywisealpha.com, right? Links that were provided in this video will also be in the video description, right? Today we're having a holiday special actually until the end of this year, so 50% off all our digital products, right? Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for your time and have a wonderful day. Thank you.